Oasis Labs announces a huge metaverse collaboration. Binance gets even closer to Ethereum adoption, and Mobox gets to ride those coattails as a part of the Binance Labs family. The Efinity CROWDLOAN is live and has some sweet polka dot perks. Kucoin says, "Take my money to the metaverse." And Solana is moving into Bloktopia. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. So make sure to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. The metaverse keeps on rolling with huge announcements. And this time, Oasis Labs has dropped that they're collaborating with Meta AI, formerly known as Facebook AI. The privacy-first blockchain says the plan is to create an application of secure computing technologies and artificial intelligence. And there's no doubt that Oasis Labs is all in on the metaverse. The Oasis Foundation just launched a $160 million ecosystem fund that will be used to continue the growth of DeFi, NFTs, data DAO, and governance, and of course, the metaverse. Binanceans have even more to look forward to. Binance has just completed its Arbitrum 1 integration, meaning massive news for Ethereum adoption. And now users can deposit any ERC20 tokens from the Ethereum network, with Arbitrum making the transactions quicker and more affordable. Ether deposits are now open on Arbitrum 1's specialty Layer 2 protocol that runs an off-chain Ethereum contract, hence the lower costs and faster transactions away from the Ethereum mainnet. Binance's steps toward Ethereum adoption is already making waves for the Momoverse. Mobox has just come aboard the Binance Labs rocket to grow its gaming metaverse. Mobox's cross-platform gaming metaverse is the first of its kind to integrate with the Binance ecosystem. And it's no surprise that Mobox is trending after the Binance Ethereum bombshell. With all the metaverse updates that we've had all week, it's looking like Binance is just as invested as the big players like Gemini and Facebook Meta. Efinity continues this metaverse news train. The Efinity CROWDLOAN is live on Binance, Huobi, Kraken, Kucoin, and OKX. But they've also sweetened the deal. The NFT platform is also including Polkadot.js contributions. And Efinity has also updated its reward structure by making limited edition NFTs available, as well as making 10% of its EFI token supply, which is roughly 200 million, specifically allocated to those supporters at a 50 million DOT cap. Kucoin is also throwing down some serious dough into the metaverse. Kucoin Labs has launched a $100 million fund to empower the metaverse ecosystem. The Kucoin Metaverse Fund intends to fund and incubate new projects that will build a sustainable metaverse ecosystem. Kucoin says that NFTs, GameFi, and decentralization are also included in the fund, and that they're heavily targeting metaverse development in Africa and South America as well. And lastly, Solana is moving into Bloktopia. The virtual skyscraper has opened its doors to a Solana headquarters, and in turn, Solana will provide an extra focus on technical integrations in the NFT space. This is surely a good sign for Solana's blockchain to continue building scalable and user-friendly apps, especially after Bloktopia announced its new incubation and IDO launchpad, Blockpad, that will be launching in December. The move-in date for Solana hasn't been released yet, so make sure you stay with us for updates on this. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So how do you feel about today's headlines? What do you make of all the big moves and investments to develop the metaverse ecosystem? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get regular notifications on our latest videos. And why not share our content with your friends? You can show them what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here are some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.